as um, as you can see, here I have the squash boiling, and I'm gonna let it be soft. And I'm going to puree it. And then I'm gonna add it to these vegetables, which I'm going to boil. So I am going to add it when the vegetables are all cooked, and when this is ready, I'm gonna boil it all together, and then I'm gonna mix them together. So you see, I have it all colors. I added the tomatoes, the carrots, and all the veggies are basically in this one. So I put all of them together to boil. So all the ingredients I already showed you earlier, they're all in there. And I added a little bit of salt, and not too much, because when I add all the ingredients, I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning and a little bit more spice, just to see how it comes out. I love vegetables, so this soup is gonna be mostly veggies. It's gonna be more liquidy. Well, it's gonna be more liquid. When it boils, it's gonna go down a lot more. So we'll see what happens. So, alright, that's it for now. I'll show you the end afterwards. Alright.